Welcome to the 7-Day Survival Protocol for the Queen City. If you found yourself broke in Charlotte, facing an overdraft alert and critical financial threats, this video is your immediate action plan to stabilize liquidity and navigate the cost of living pressure. The Charlotte Situation Report shows a significant Queen City premium. Housing costs are 3% above the national average, groceries are up over 2% overall, and healthcare markups range from 15 to 34%. The reality is that an income of $74,000 to $95,000 is required for comfort. Our mission overview details 5 strategic moves over 7 days. We start with institutional triage to activate the safety net, followed by a gig economy surge for cash generation, then survival budgeting, bill warfare, and finally, behavioral decoupling to stop the bleeding. Move 1 is institutional triage. Prioritize court-ordered evictions and disconnections. Head to the Crisis Assistance Ministry at 500A Spratt Street. Bring your ID SSN for all household members and past due notice. For digital backup, use Duke Energy's Share the Light or the Deferit/Zip apps. Move 2 involves gig economy logistics. Target high-yield areas like South Park, Myers Park, and Mooresville for consistent, high-tip orders. Avoid low-yield areas like Uptown and the University area. The rule of engagement: accept nothing under $5, target $2 per mile. For guaranteed liquidity without a car, consider biological mining, such as plasma donation, which can yield up to $1,000 a month for new donors. Alternatively, niche ops like Tagger for parking enforcement can earn $25 to $60 per hour tagging unauthorized vehicles. Move 3 is the survival pantry. Terminate expensive items like steak and cooking oil. Activate value-based alternatives like chicken, tuna, and potatoes. Target Aldi and Harris Teeter to keep your weekly spend under $50 through savings optimization. For a $0 budget, utilize no questions asked resources. Visit the Bulb Mobile Markets, Hope Street Pantry on Thursdays, and Mission City Church on the 1st and 3rd Thursdays. Use these resources to preserve cash for gas and phone bills. Move 4 is bill warfare or retention ops. Target internet providers like Spectrum and AT&T. Call and ask for the retention department. Mention competitor prices like Google Fiber to negotiate a $20 to $50 monthly reduction. Also, buy your own router to save on rental fees. Move 5 is behavioral decoupling. Stop the wealth depletion. Avoid spending $15 per meal at places like Optimist Hall. Switch to $4 home prep. Delete delivery apps to avoid the 40 to 60% Uber Eats markup. Switch from $6 daily coffee to homebrew. Geographic arbitrage is key intel. High overhead areas like South End and Uptown cost between $1,800 and $2,400 monthly. Moving 15 minutes east to East Charlotte or University offers strategic value, with rent between $965 and $1,400. Split rent in East Charlotte to get below $600 per person. The healthcare surcharge is real. Optometrist and doctor visits are significantly higher than the national average. The countermeasure is Atrium Health's Access 1. The protocol is to never pay full price up front and immediately negotiate interest-free payment plans. Here is the execution of the 7-day protocol. Follow the checklist: triage on day 1, a 5-hour gig shift on day 2, and a pantry run on day 3. On day 4, execute the Spectrum retention script. Day 5 is a zero-spend day. Set up medical payment plans on day 6 and allocate capital to rent and utilities on day 7. Shift your mindset from panic to power. Being broke in Charlotte is a liquidity crisis, not a character flaw. Many $1.5 million homes are fueled by inheritance, not just salary. Your goal: master the geography, master the resources, and master your wallet. This is the end of the briefing. Comment broke for the full PDF resource guide. Subscribe for more local economic deep dives.